Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing great. Kind of took a pause on recording. We've just been kind of working. Update on this EG. We're actually ordered a new boost piping. The owner saw it and he didn't like this area right here. He said if we can change it. So we ordered it. He's gonna get new charge pipes. My son's working on the down pipe. He still needs to work on the dump tube, probably come around there. But he's been practicing welding. Okay, so this is what it looks like underneath. He added a V-band coupler, so he did this weld right here. Extended the cat. We kind of messed up. We should have made this longer to here, but that's okay. So what we started out with, we bought an eBay down pipe, and then it wasn't the right angle, so he cut it here and here, added this piece, and then hard to see, but there you go. He basically pie cut, so to give it, see if I can back out. If not, this thing would have been going, just kept going straight like this. So he basically pie cut it, so make it come back around, and then I think he also twisted, and then it kind of came back somewhere on an angle. So we cut this angle, so to put this on, so then it mounted up to the cat straight. It still has the cat on it. I'd probably, it's up to the customer what he wants to do with the cat, not up to me. And then we got from 1320 a new oil return line, so it actually looks better. Instead of this thing came with just a hose going like that, and then 45-degree angle, so that way it somewhat avoids this. Came around. I think this should be fine, hopefully. So yeah, so we're getting close to getting this thing done. He just needs a dump tube. Okay, so basically he needs to fix a dump tube, charge pipe, and S300. I think the guy also wanted catch can. I was talking to him about not routing the PCV system back on, because it's gonna boost, it's gonna put boost in his crankcase. So we're gonna go ahead and order a catch can for it. Other than that, yeah, this thing is done. And other news of what's going on around here, we took my son's green car, which is his street car, to Sacramento Raceway. He won his bracket. He ran 12.9 all night long. Not on slicks, just street tire, because we didn't really do too much to the car. We basically put the radials, took seats off, and went. He didn't want to do too much because he's got to take that car to school the next day. So yeah, here's some videos from that. I think he did pretty well. He ended up with first place on his bracket, which is, it's nothing big. It's just a fun day, weekend, weekday street drags. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I went ahead and threw some pictures of the downpipe too and his welding job. Okay. Let's get it right there, boom. Okay, then tell him to let go.